Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into GoDaddy, manage domains, and hosting step by step clearly. Open your web browser and make sure you have a stable internet connection. In the address bar, type GoDaddy.com and press enter. Look at the top right of the page and find the sign in button. Click sign in to open the login options. Choose sign in if you want to access your GoDaddy account directly. Enter your GoDaddy username or your email address in the first field. Enter your password in the password field carefully. Click the sign in button to proceed. If you are asked for verification, complete the two-step authentication code. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the reset steps. After logging in, go to the top right and click your account name or the person icon. From the menu, click My Products to open your account dashboard. In the Domains section, locate the domain name you want to manage. Click Manage next to the domain to open domain settings. To update DNS, find DNS or Manage DNS and click it. To change name servers, open Name Servers and choose Change or Manage. To renew a domain, find Renewal Settings and turn on Auto Renew or Renew manually. To manage hosting, return to My Products and find the Hosting section. Click Manage next to your hosting plan to open the Hosting Control panel. If you use cPanel hosting, click cPanel Admin to open cPanel. In cPanel, you can manage files using File Manager when needed. In cPanel, you can create email accounts by opening email accounts. If you have WordPress hosting, click Manage next to WordPress to open the WordPress dashboard link. To connect a domain to hosting, check the domain's DNS records and confirm the A record points to your server IP. To connect your domain to WordPress, verify the domain is assigned to the correct hosting plan. For billing or plan upgrades, click Billing in the account menu and review your subscriptions. If something is not working, use the help icon or contact GoDaddy support from the support page. Always log out on shared computers by clicking your account icon and selecting Sign Out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.